Hello everyone, and I welcome you all to another video of our stack series. And in this video we are going to look at another problem which is called next data element. So before you watch this video, I would like to recommend you to watch our previous video, which is stock span, because both the questions are like a slight variation of each other. Alright, so without any further ado, let's dive into the problem. So given an array size n having distinct elements, the task is to find the next greater element for each element of the array in order to their appearance in the array. Alright. Next greater element of an element in an array is the nearest element on the right, which is greater than the current element. If there does not exist next greater or current element, then next greater element for current element is -1. Okay. So what's happening here is let's take this one, this example 68013. Alright. 68013. So what is the element which is greater than 6 and just write to it? That is 8. So its answer would be 8. What is the greater element than 8 and just write to it? There is no, so our answer would be -1. What about 0? It would be 1. Even 3 is greater than 0, but we have to find the number which is just right to 0. So that would be 1. For 1, it is going to be 3. And for 3, there is no element left, so it is going to be -1. Okay. So, as I have already discussed the main logic in our previous video, stock span. So if you haven't watched, you may go and watch it. Otherwise, I'll just directly dive into how we use a stack here. Okay. Suppose I go from here. All right. So initially, obviously, the last element will always have answer as -1. So I just put this one here. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check one, the current element. So I'll check if the current element is greater than 3 or smaller than 3. It is obviously smaller than 3, so I'll have answer here as 1, and for here it would be 3. Now I come to 0. For 0, it is smaller than 1, so obviously answer is going to be 0. For 0, it is going to be the h dot top, which is 1. Now I come at 8. For 8, 8 is greater than 0, so I'll remove the top element. It is greater than 1, I'll remove the top element. It is greater than 3, I'll remove the top element. So since our stack is empty here, so my answer would be for it would be -1, and I just put 8 here. Now for 6, 8 is obviously greater than 6, so I just put the answer as 8 here. Alright. So this is the basic idea. Alright. Now let's talk about how to code this thing. Okay. So obviously we need a stack of long, let's name it as, and obviously we are going to need a vector. It is going to be res. Alright. Cool. Now, what can we have here is okay. Right. Res dot push back would be -1, and s dot push would be array n -1. Right. Now I'll simply say for int I is equal to 0, it would be I n -1, I more than 0, it would be -2, right? Okay. I minus minus. So I'll say while not s dot empty and s dot top is less than or equal to array I, I'm going to do s dot pop here. Okay. Now I'll say if s dot empty res dot push back, I'll push back -1 in it, else I'll simply uh, push back top in it, s dot top, right? Okay, so this is what we have done till now, and in the end I'll just simply s dot push array I. In the end I'll reverse my res dot begin and res dot end, and in the end I'll simply return res. Okay, compile this code, hope it would work. Okay, we are getting the correct output. Let's try to submit this code. Okay, cool, we have solved it. Nice. So we have done this question. All right, it was just a slight variation of the previous one. In the previous one, which we have to find the greater element on the left. Here we have to find the greater element on the right. Okay, so I hope you understand the logic here and how to use the stack here. And thanks for watching this video. Hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.